lot of y'all think that a lavender marriage is low maintenance. You gotta take care of your man, okay? I've been gone 6 weeks. What am I doing? Come. Plantain. African hand, don't even burn. Oxtail for my man. In African culture, you gotta give the biggest piece to the man of the household, okay? Just because he eating meat on the side don't mean he don't deserve the biggest meat. And y'all were waiting on our lavender marriage. If I could quote The Color Purple, I think it pisses God off to walk past the color purple and I notice it. Take that with y'all. I know you like meat.
Love it.
I know you love your
Falling off the bone too.
I know you like
if
that.
Everybody is.
If there's one thing I know about you, is that you like meat